belt must be securely fastened at this time. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the straps so they're low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience rough air. Federal regulations require all customers to comply with instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking, vaping, and the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. This aircraft has 2 forward doors, 1 on each side, 4 window exits over the wings, 2 doors behind the wings, 1 on each side, and 2 doors in the back, 1 on each side. The forward and mid-cabin doors have detachable slides that can be used for flotation. Escape ropes are attached to the aft window exit frame for use in water evacuation. Emergency lights. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instructions for operations. In an emergency, lights will illuminate in the aisle to guide you to an exit. Please locate the exits nearest you, and keep in mind, they might be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels inside the lavatories and above your seats will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. If you are wearing a mask or face covering, remove it before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not fully inflate. Secure your own mask before helping others. If needed, life vests are located under or between your seats. To use, remove the vest from the container by pulling on the tab, then open the pouch. Pull the vest over your head, fasten the strap in front, and pull on the strap to adjust the vest securely around your waist. After exiting the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. Refer to the safety information card for instructions on how to use the life vest for children who weigh less than 35 pounds. If necessary, we'll distribute life vests for in-lap children. Before we take off, be sure your seat backs are upright, tray tables and carry-on items are stowed, all aisle rests rest in the resting position, and headrests are lowered. Then take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we complete our final safety checks, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and relaxing flight. Thank you for flying with Delta.
Cabin lighting is going to be dimmed for the duration of our flight today. If you need additional lighting, just access the personal overhead lighting above your seat. If you happen to hit your flight attendant call button by accident, just hit it a second time. That'll turn it right back off. Thanks so much.
Welcome once again